In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up candles on TradingView. We'll start by switching your chart to classic candlesticks, then fine-tune their look so your price action is clear, consistent, and easy to read. First, look to the top left of your TradingView chart on the main toolbar. You'll see a small icon showing the current chart style. This might display bars, a line, or hollow candles, depending on what you last used. Click that icon to open the Style menu, then choose Candlesticks from the list. Your chart will immediately update to standard price candles with rectangular bodies and thin wicks above and below. Each candle represents the open, high, low, and close for your selected time frame. The color instantly communicates whether price closed higher or lower than it opened, which makes spotting momentum and structure much faster. Now, let's customize the appearance so the candles stand out against your background and match how you like to analyze. Right-click anywhere on the chart and select Chart Settings. In the window that opens, head to the Symbol or Appearance tab. This is where you control candle colors and styles. Set the bullish candle color, the bearish candle color, and the colors for the wicks and borders. You can also choose the body fill style, such as solid or hollow. Aim for strong, reliable contrast. Many traders choose green for bullish candles and red for bearish, but pick any pair you can recognize instantly. If you use a dark background, brighter tones can help. On a light background, choose softer but clearly distinct hues. Matching wick and border colors to the candle body keeps the chart clean. If you want extra definition, a slightly darker border can make each candle edge stand out when you zoom out. For the body fill, solid bodies emphasize the move between open and close, while hollow bodies can make up days more obvious at a glance. If you're colorblind or prefer alternative palettes, consider blue and orange or other high-contrast combinations that remain easy to tell apart. Once you're happy, click Apply or OK to confirm your changes. After applying, zoom in and out, and scroll through different parts of the chart to make sure your candles remain readable in both dense and quiet areas of price action. If anything looks washed out or too intense, jump back into chart settings and adjust until it feels natural. That's it. Your TradingView chart now displays candlesticks with your preferred colors and styling, ready for confident analysis. Keep these settings consistent across symbols and time frames so your eyes learn the patterns faster and your decisions stay focused.